if the agriculture sector is impacted by the issue of climate change, then we are very vulnerable.
There was a time when Dhemaji and Lakhimpur received very high rainfall. Now you see, Kokrajhar is receiving much more rainfall than Lakhimpur. See the change in trend. It happened from 1990 onwards, right?
So what do you think about water from your point of view, from your discipline point of view, or from your geographical point of view? That comes in our mind.
Untreated, inadequately treated wastewater coming out of our homes, coming out of our municipalities, they are the main #1 cause of waterborne disease, because they are directly coming from our septic tanks, directly coming from our homes. They are the cause of more than 80% of waterborne disease worldwide.